Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Let's go ahead and get started. Let me share my screen here. All right, welcome everyone, welcome. All right. Hey Bruce, welcome, Bruce, welcome. Hey Solomon, welcome. Hey Joe, welcome, Joe. All right. Okay, guys, let's go over the markets and then we'll go over the current picks that we've got, and then we'll look at some new opportunities. Okay, so we'll start with the futures market. The equity markets held today, right? Markets were up today, not in a big way, but still up. We'll take that. All right. The dollar index held, right? So it was up, not by a great deal, but it was up. We just needed to hold and continue to move higher. So we do have, so that you guys know, we have a buy signal on the dollar index, right? The dollar index right here, buy signal came in right at this resistance right here. Here is our buy signal right on that resistance line. All right, this was yesterday's price action, and then this is today's price action. Okay, so dollar's doing well. All right, nice markdown phase. All right, so we hope those dollar pairs will move higher. All right, markets right now flat. All right, flat. Nothing major in the markets, like right here. We do have, this is interesting though, we do have support, purpose support and resistance that came in, all right, on all of the major indexes. So that's good, right? So that's good, because now we're getting consolidation, near-term consolidation, all right. No, I say that's good because it's not falling, all right. It's not a free fall, right? Prices stopped. Here is pretty good support here. This is on the Dow, pretty good support here. Okay, so now if it breaks that support, now we do have a purpose support and resistance. What that means, we're getting lower highs and lower lows, right? Lower highs and lower lows. So we could go much lower, all right? But there is support. Support is forming here, all right? So we'll see what happens. Red candles, red candles. So pretty good support here, pretty good resistance right up here on the Dow. Guys, stop me if you have any questions, okay? All right, so that is the Dow. All right, that is the Dow. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. All right. All right. Same with the S&P. All right, same with the S&P. Support and resistance, purple lines here. All right, so we got pretty good support. If we carry that over, you guys will notice pretty good support right here. Resistance is right here. Okay, so these lines came in, and I think they came in today. So new support and resistance lines came in. But again, that's purpose support and resistance. Here is the NASDAQ, right? Same thing here. Purpose support and resistance. And on the Russell, purpose support and resistance. And the Russell broke below that support line, but came back and closed above the support line there. All right, so markets are still in trouble. No buyers. Prices has reversed. The VIX is at 19, right? VIX is at 19. So right here, the VIX is moving up. All the sectors are down, moving down. Industrial is neutral right now, right? So it's not going up or down, somewhat, in the middle, right? Neutral, some consolidating. Crude oil is moving higher. So We might have a move. The last time the equity markets moved lower, we saw a move in crude, and some of our traders did really well trading crude oil. That was at the time, that was the only trade was crude oil. All right. So we'll keep an eye on that. Crude oil, gasoline, natural gas. Okay, we'll keep an eye on that sector. All right. Let's take a quick look here. So crude oil, where is it? Energy. Okay, so nothing yet. We need that to bump up a bit. Okay, so I thought we don't have anything major there. All right. Okay. Futures, right? Feeder cattle, right? Live cattle is still the biggest mover right now long. Just every day it continues to move higher. Just really amazing price action. So really good long trade, right? In cattle, really nice long trade in cattle. Okay. There's a short. The shorts that we are looking at in monster futures are the euro, right? The euro dollar short. That's a short trade. There's another short trade. All right. SOFR. That's interest rates. Okay. So overnight interest rates right here. All right. That's a pretty good short too. That's going on. All right. So SOFR right here. Nice short here. Okay. Too late to get into this one, obviously, right? But there's some opportunities to go short, right? To go short. And those have been running for a while. All right. Here's one that just came in here. Okay. So the SOFR. But I do like that Euro trade short. That Euro trade short. Okay. Um, this might have gone too far, okay, to get in SOFR. That Euro trade is that's our more recent opportunity. Okay. Let's see here. US 30. You guys know we closed the long trade on the US 30. There was a short trade, but that came in really, really quick. So I don't think anyone got on that trade. The short trade. All right. So here was the long trade here and totally reversed on the same candle to go short. I don't think anyone caught that trade. All right. If they did, amazing trading. Okay. So we are not trading. We're out of Monster US 30 right now. Okay, so we'll wait. We do have a sell short signal right here on the daily. So if that short closes and look to test support again to give another sell short signal on the 60, that could be good. Okay, but nothing yet. Same with the NAS 100. All right, and the S&P. Okay, cryptos. Bitcoin is moving lower, guys. All right, Bitcoin is moving lower. All right. You guys remember this was the buy signal here, right? Great trading right here. This is the 240. This was the next buy signal. Then we got a sell signal to get out. So we should be out of Bitcoin. All right. So it's moving lower. It just broke. It's in the it's in the markdown phase. Markdown phase, and it just broke support again right here. All right, so expect it to move lower. Right now it's at 21,000. All right, it had made a high near 24,000, and we had called pretty good resistance here. All right. On the daily time frame, we didn't trade it on the daily. We did look for the buy signal to come in on the daily. All right. And then we managed the exit on the 240 to get out here. And then we called this trade here on the 240 to get out here. So we're totally out. Red candles coming in here on the daily. All right, so that daily should close shortly. All right, and then we could see more selling to come in. Now, on Bitcoin, you guys know Bitcoin, we use Bitcoin, or Bitcoin can be used as a barometer for the entire crypto market. So Bitcoin comes down, you guys will see most of the other cryptos, uh, currencies that are out there come down. Okay, so same thing with Litecoin, Ethereum. Okay, they're all down. Okay, but the big news is we got a red candle, guys. Red candle. Right. Yes, there was a red candle, and today this is a daily time frame. Red candle here. So sellers are coming in. So we'll look for the system to close, right? Close that buy signal here. And then down here is about 15,000 is where Bitcoin made that low before, right? About 15,000 right here. Okay, so we could get back to that area. But big news, sellers are coming in. Okay, all right. So we should be out of that. Let's see here. I'm still working out. I think we got some more. I've got 22 symbols today. TradeStation is still working out that data situation, but I think we got more. So we'll go over some opportunities in Stock Boss and also Bullmaster. Okay, also Bullmaster. So we'll see what we've got. Okay, so let's go over the trades. All right, the picks that we've got in Monster Systems Tracker. Okay, and guys, stop me if you have any questions. Okay, stop me if you have any questions. All right. Okay, so I'm going to bring this chart here. All right. This is the 240. So Monster Scalper on the 240 NZD USD. This is a short. All right. So this is a short here. Let me open this up so you guys don't get confused. All right. So it's still holding a red candle here. Sell short signal here. It's got purple support and resistance lines. All right. Hey, Dean, welcome, Dean. Okay.
Hello,
Purpose,
everyone.
hello. Purpose support and resistance line. So just hold on to it. NZD, USD. So if you guys are trading it, just watch it. If it gives you I would say if it gives you a white candle, you might want to get out. If it gives you a white, just pay close attention to it. Okay. If you guys are trading it, here is resistance right here. If it starts breaking that resistance line, giving you a white candle, all right, definitely a green candle. You might want to get out. White candle, you could hold it. Yeah, you know, because you could get a white candle like this, right? Like this here, and then red candle, and then it starts to come back down. But definitely a green candle. You want to get out. If you want to be conservative, if you just want to, don't want to take a chance, you can get out on a white candle. Okay, it's up to you guys. It's not a big move here. All right, so all right, but definitely you can keep it on a white candle, green candle, you can get out. These are some of the longs here. USD SGD again in Monster Scalper. Okay, buy signal here, it's still holding. You've got support and resistance. Resistance is right here, so it's holding. All right. USD CNH, right? Buy signal here, pull back a bit. Held support right here, green candles, that's holding there. Okay. Dollars are holding nicely, right? Buy signal here, holding nicely, resistance right here. Okay. Let me do this. All right. All right. So you guys could see that better there. Okay. So looks really good. Looks really, really good. Okay. Looks really good. All right. So that's Monster Scalper. Okay. So, and these are the current picks. These are the current picks. Okay. So We will not change anything here. All right. No sell signals, nothing to change right here. Okay. So monster scalper short, NZD. All right. NZD USD, long USD SGD. All right. USD CNH and USD ZAR. Okay. All right. And the dollar's holding right here. Dollar index is holding, so we'll expect those to hold overnight. Okay. All right. Forex dominator. Let's do this. We're gonna bring this here so we can see these charts. All right. So Forex dominator on the daily time frame. All right. Daily time frame. These are longs. All right. So CHF, JPY, and guys, you're not going to be trading all of these, right? So, but still track them, still watch them. Hey, Mary, welcome. All right. So buy signal is here. Support and resistance lines are in. All green candles, nothing to do. All right, just hold it. SGD, JPY, right? Same thing here. Holding. All right. CAD yen. Keep an eye on CAD yen, guys. Keep an eye on CAD yen. Okay. If you get a red candle, go ahead and close it. Okay. This on the daily time frame. I wouldn't wait for that candle to close. If that white candle turns into a red, start turning into a red candle, you might want to just get out. Okay. Support, resistance becomes support. So support is right here. So if that candles get below here, touches that moving average right here, you could get a red candle sell signal. So if anyone is in it, pay close attention to it. Okay. All right. That's CAD yen. Okay, CAD yen. Did we go over this one? HKD JPY. Just want to make sure that's holding nicely. You could see a move higher here. It's really looking to move higher. Dollar yen, same thing. It's holding nicely, right? Buy signal is here, right? Moving up nicely. Dollar yen. TRY JPY, it's holding, right? Nothing to do here. So those are the longs. And then these are the shorts. Let me do this. Let me remove these. Now, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Stop me. Okay, so shorts in Forex Dominator, shorts. And guys, we're building positions in Forex Dominator. That's good. Aussie dollar, short right here. All right, so it's still holding that short. Aussie dollar right here. Aussie CAD, sell short signal, holding. All right. Aussie Swiss, sell short signal, holding. We'll keep an eye on these if it's, you've got some support right here, but nothing to do yet. We don't even have new support and resistance lines. Okay. Pay attention to these trades, right? When they're down like this, when they're moving, either in the markup phase or in the markdown phase, right? Don't do anything until you get new support and resistance lines. Once you get new support and resistance lines, then you can pay closer attention. All right. That means they're starting to consolidate, and then they could move either way, right? Either direction. Okay. New Zealand dollar, right? Sell short signal, holding nicely. New Zealand CAD. All right. We'll keep an eye on that one. If anyone is in this one, in Forex Dominator, just got a white candle coming in here. All right. So that's not good. Just pay close attention to that. New Zealand Swiss, that's holding nicely. We got support right here. Hopefully that can break support, make another leg down. All right. And then we've got the dollar pairs. I'm excited about the dollar pairs. Let's see here. We'll move this. All right. So dollar CAD made a nice move today, guys. Nice move. All right. So it's moving nicely higher. You've got some resistance. So on the daily time frame now, right? Forex dominator. You got some resistance right here. It got past this resistance here. Okay. So it's got some resistance right here. So it could get past the way it's moving. Big, nice big candles coming in. All right. So it could get past that resistance. Dollar CAD, it looks really good. If you guys are not in it, don't get in. Okay. USD SGD. All right. This is one you can still get in. It's right here. Buy signal is right here. And it's right above that resistance line. Really good markdown phase, guys. Really good markdown phase. Okay, so this looks really good here. USD SGD. So we'll continue to hold on to
Hey,
that.
David.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's Bruce. I was going to ask you on that
Hey,
last one
Bruce.
and just in general.
Okay.
If you see something that's breaking through new resistance lines, is that a time where you could potentially add to your position? What's kind of your philosophy on that? Let's say you got in at the original signal.
Okay, so if you got in here
Yeah,
on the
the
buy
original
signal,
signal. Yeah, and then it breaks through that resistance, or even if the original signal was further down, you know what I mean? And it builds new resistance lines. If it goes through that, is that a time to potentially add or
yeah.
yeah.
So that's an
Hmm.
area to add. There are two areas we can add, right? Um, you can add when it breaks resistance. Okay, another really good area to add. Okay, it's a little riskier, right? But you can add like right here. You guys see here. That's a good question. See that whenever we get a white candle, if we can hold on, just hold on, right? Hold on. Wait for the next candle, and if that candle is a green candle, that's another area to add. Okay, Bruce. Now it's
Hmm.
it's it's
Yep.
riskier, right? But if it holds support like here, if it held support, white candle then a green candle, that's a very good area to add. And that way, when you move in higher again, you can um, be careful when you add. Just know that when you scale in or scale up, we add in risk. Okay, we add in risk. But with Forex Dominator, we plan on keeping those trades a long time, right? They'll hold on to those trades. So you can absolutely build positions, but I wouldn't be too quick
Hmm.
to start adding. Let it get into that markup phase pretty nicely. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
So to your question, if you add it, if you had a position here, right? I wouldn't add here because guess what? It hasn't really gone through that markup phase yet. You see what
Right.
I mean? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you would be basically now, like I said, if you bought here, right, and you wanted to take up a position on the next right here, that's a good trade. It's just you got to be a little savvy to do that. Okay, so just be aware. It's always risky when the price has retraced and now we are testing support. Okay, that's
Yeah.
your better trade up in the markup phase, like in here. Okay,
I was
but
going to say, if you look back at the last run up that was in that same pair, and you got in at the original purchase, would you typically add when you get new lines of resistance that you've
yes,
broken through? Yeah,
yes.
up
So
there,
you
for
could you could have
example, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So you could have added here.
Hmm.
Okay, but ideally, when you guys get really good, that's a safe area to add.
Hmm.
Okay, but boy, if you can add on the pullbacks, and what you're looking for is on the pullbacks to like the near the moving average. Okay, so just think
Hmm.
whenever the price pulls back to that moving average. I know this one didn't touch the moving average. That support line comes in right near that moving average. and all you want is confirmation that it's new buyers are coming, stepping in off that support, off your support. So just think that it's just lifting up support. That's a good area. Okay, but it is tricky. It is tricky. Like right here, pull back to your moving average right here. All right, moving average right here. You got support right here. If you can get in on like this candle right here, all right, and then take that run.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you see that? It's a little tricky, but ideally, when we're looking to scale up, um, that's what we want to do. That's what we want to do. Okay, but you can scale up here. Here's the safer area to scale up, right? When it breaks resistance. Okay, but just know that this is another area here.
Okay.
Yeah, when it pulls back, yeah. Okay, your timing just has to be better. Okay, yeah. All right. Let's see here. USD CHF. That's holding nicely here. Okay. Um, Decent markdown phase. It's holding solid here. All right. Resistance is here. It's not trading off that support anymore. So buyers are holding it. Buyers are holding it. And then USD SEK. We have a buy signal here. Choppy in here, but it's holding. We need to get above. Now, this is not in Monster Scalper, guys. This is in Forex Dominator. Okay. So the daily time frame. So this looks good to get above. You can get above this area right here. It should be pretty good. All right. To perhaps start testing here. So, and these are the dollar pairs. We do need the dollar index to cooperate. Okay. So, but really good. Like I said, we are going to push this system. All right. We're going to push Forex Dominator. So I'll leave this up. In Monster Futures, the positions that we have is feeder cattle. All right. Okay, so feeder cattle just continuing to move higher. I know you're holding on to this, Bruce. What an amazing trade they're going. And then ED, this is the short, right? The euro dollar short. Okay, euro dollar short. All right, let me bring in the short signal. That's still holding nicely. All right. Went down a little today, so we needed to keep going down. All right, so it's been trading really good, right? Really good trades, shorts. So this one so far looking good. Okay, nothing to do. Doesn't have any support and resistance lines. Hasn't built any consolidation yet. So just let it go. All right. And that's the euro. That's the euro, right? Euro. Okay. All right. Stock boss. Let's see what we've got in stock boss here. We had some moves today. Let's do this here. All right. MTC looks really good. All right. Looks to test resistance right here. All right. Looks really, really good. All right. Is anyone in this? Anyone in this? MTCH? MTCH? All right. BIVI. right? That moved up today. Looks nice. All right. LAZR, all right, is holding right here. ARDX, that's moving up nicely. Okay. PAYO, that's holding right here. All right. And XERS right here, that was down today. Okay. So that was down. Okay. And it was down 12%. Okay. So if anyone is in it, right, what we need it to hold here, and tomorrow we need green candles to come in. Okay. We need buyers to come in. If that doesn't happen and we break through, here's resistance right here. If we break through that resistance line, which is now support coming down, right, we could get a white candle, and then we just have to watch it closely. Okay, watch it closely. All right, but not a major concern yet. It's still in play. Right, it's still in play. All right, and then Bull Master. CRWD. All right, that's holding nicely. MYGN. All right, it had retraced from yesterday. I think we said we got support right here, and we were hoping that it will hold, and it's still holding. Right, it's still holding. Previous resistance becomes support, so it's still holding. So we'll keep an eye on that. CERT holding right here. All right. FSLR made a move higher today. All right. So right here made a move higher. CENX, right? Holding. AXON, okay, that made a move higher, retraced back, but still holding nicely, all green candles. LUNG, all right, that's holding here, just holding. SRPT, all right, retraced a bit, but holding. No red, no white candles, no red candles, okay. This one here we had added from Sniper, okay. RIG, it's holding here, okay. Now this one here, let's bring this up. BA Bowen, all right. We haven't called this on the daily time frame. We haven't gotten a sell signal from the data yet, right? You guys know we get that data, so they haven't seen where traders are dumping. They're not getting out of that position. Okay, so we'll continue to hold it. It made a little move higher. I think it did. Did it? Yeah. So we'll just continue to hold it. Hopefully, we get some buying, and that should help it. Okay, in Sniper Trader. Okay, so those are the trades. So let's go through some opportunities. Okay, so we looked at futures. So we're going to add in the futures market. Let's see here. Did we say we would add these? Let me take a second look at these. The SOFR. I think it's, these were on here. And I think we might have missed this trade. Yeah, I think we've missed this trade. Yeah. Too bad. Oh, that was a good trade. Let's run through these. I want to make sure we don't miss anything. We might see crude. Crude might move eventually. So we've seen it coming up. in the futures market. We're seeing it in equities, but the charts are not showing anything yet. So we'll keep an eye. Micro crude, yeah, it's coming. Crude is not moving in the chart, but it's coming up in heat seeker. They start moving it, we'll find it. Okay, so no additional longs here. All right, let's go through. Just want to make sure so that we don't miss anything. Bruce, you got out of wheat, right? You're not trading wheat anymore, right?
No, I'm doing wheat. I got out of corn, David.
Oh, you still in wheat?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay, good. Okay,
Yep.
okay. So we'll put wheat on here. It still looks good. That's in Monster Futures. All right. The Russell, nothing there yet. Euro, no, Euro dollar, Russell, nothing there. Yeah, we missed, yeah, SOFR. We did miss that. Okay. All right. Let's look at Forex Monster Scalper. Monster Scalper. Okay, Monster Scalper long.
Hi, David. I had a question.
Mhm.
On the futures topic, is that being traded on MT4?
On MT4, I'm not sure, Dean.
Oh,
I think so. I think so. Yes. Yes, you should be
oh,
able to. But I'm not 100%.
what's the preferred platform to trade the futures?
Trade Station is easy. Bruce, you're using Trade Station, right?
Yes, I'm on TradeStation. There's
Yeah.
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 Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, I would say Trade Station, right?
Got it. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. And we can talk about that on Friday when we meet. Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. Okay. We're looking for longs. Monster Scalper. Okay, it's dollar ZAR. We should be in that one already. Dollar ZAR. Okay, so we have that one already. Dollar ZAR. That looks good. Nothing there. We're in this one already. USD SGD. This one is gone. USD PLN, don't do anything with this one, guys. Now, if it, you guys can keep an eye on it. If it gets back to that resistance, right? I guess, start breaking resistance. You guys might want to do, a lot of consolidation. That's the concern. So it's got to get past all that area there. All right. USDN, okay. That's moving already. MXN, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. USD DKK, we're going to add that one. Okay. In Monster Scalper, USD DKK. All right. We've got a buy signal here, and we just need to get past this area, get past this resistance here, but not bad trading. Not bad trading. Okay. So, if you want, it has a purple support and resistance right here, but that's fine. It's got pretty good. Look here. Here is support, and then here is resistance. So all it's got to do is just break out of that box there. Okay. So it's got green buy signal here, green candles. It's just got to get in that area right here, and then hopefully big candle to break out similar to this here. So this is a good one. This is a good one right here. And that's the dollar. So if the dollar moves, right? So USD DKK in Monster Scalper. So we'll add this one. USD CZK, we're gonna leave that one. A lot of consolidation there. USD CNH. All right, we're already in that one. All right, we're in that one already. USD CHF, no buy signal yet. And then dollar CAD, we're in that one. We're not in that one in Dominator, but in Monsters, in Forex Dominator. We're not in it in Monster Scalper. So dollar CAD. Okay. All right, let's go Euro. All right. Euro ZAR. We're going to add that one in Monster Scalper. Dean, you still in it in Forex Dominator, Monsters, Euro ZAR?
Yes, I'm still in it.
Okay, good. Euro ZAR in Monster Scalper. We'll add that one. All right, so it's got a buy signal here and holding nicely here.
I'm sorry, David. I'm on the Eurozone. I'm in on the Dominator.
In Dominator. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay. All right. Well, this one here, Euro New Zealand, very, very choppy. Very, very choppy. But hold on. Okay, so we'll add this one. It looks better in Forex Dominator, right? It's very choppy. Look at that, but it is moving higher, and you've got some resistance up here. If it can get past that area, it could move. So we'll add it in Monster Scalper. Okay, so euro, it's not great. All right. So if you guys are going to trade it, I mean, it's trading high in that markup phase, and it's not very pretty, but we could get a move from it. Euro NZD. Monster scalper. All right, let's keep going. That's gone. The euro pairs are funky. All right. Some are down, some are up. That's gone. And then that's gone here. I don't think we have anything here in the pound pairs. Okay. All right. So we added 3. Let's go ahead and add them now before we forget. All right. So monster scalper. We've got USD. And those of you like Bruce, you've got your Tylac is not on here. You've got your you'll get your monster systems tracker. Separate these when you guys put them in. Separate them by the group, okay, so that keep them in order. So USD, USD, DKK. All right, and then we'll skip it here, and then we'll add Euro, ZAR, EUR, ZAR. Okay. Remember that's on the 240 here. Okay, and then Euro NZD, EUR NZD. Okay. All right, again 240 here, and then monster futures wheat. Let's do Z23, and that is short. Okay, so we'll separate the shorts here. All right, so we know this one is long, these are longs, these are shorts here. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's keep going. Forex Dominator. Let's see what we've got in Forex Dominator. What time is it? Okay. Long. So these yen pairs we're in already. Right. Okay, so we're in this one already. SEK, we're in this one already. Keep an eye on USD PLN. Okay, keep an eye on. We won't add it, okay, yet, but if it starts testing that resistance, this could be a good one. All right, that's one's gone. All right. Nothing. So we're going to add this one here, USD DKK. in Forex Dominator. Okay. So we added it in Monster Scalper. We'll add it in Forex Dominator also. USD DKK in Forex Dominator. All right, perfect buy signal right on a break of that resistance right here. And it's just holding, just need buyers to come in, push it higher, okay? Nice markdown phase. This is a good one here, okay? Nice markdown phase. Choppy trading here, okay? But again, the dollar index moves. All right, USD CZK, did we have that before? Okay, so that's a new one also. All right, USD. All right. CZK. All right. All right. Resistance is right here. Buy signal came in. Green candles right here. It's holding, setting up nicely. Nice markdown phase. USD CZK. All right. In Forex Dominator. USD CNH. We've got this already. USD Swiss, I think we've got that already. Let me double check. Yes, we got those too. And then Euro CAD, dollar CAD, we've got dollar CAD already. All right, this one made a nice move higher. Okay. Eurozar, we should be in that one already. And we got in on the 240, and I don't think we had it. Yeah, we don't have it in the Forex Dominator. It had already left. Okay, so yeah. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. All right. Dean, your Eurozar, is Dean still there? Dean, you still with us? Your Eurozar could make a move overnight, right? Here it is right here, testing the high right here. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, let's take a quick look at Stock Boss. All right. No, I thought we had something there. All right. We want to be, can't just take any trade in Stock Boss because of the market. Okay, so nothing there. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. It's all gone. That's gone. All right. So no stocks tonight. Okay, so let's add Forex Dominator. Let's go back here. And guys, this is what you want to do when you go through those picks, right? Just go ahead and just enter them in. Okay. So we'll add USD, DKK. All right. And then USD CZK. USD CZK. All right. So we've got quite a bit. Look at these. Oh, look at that. Okay. And then a trick is on your radar here, these, all the yen pairs, just separate them. So all the yen pairs are up. All right. I know they're down right now, but right here, your radar up. These are your shorts, the Aussie shorts. They should be down. And then your New Zealand, right? They should be down here. Okay. And then the dollars should be up. All right. So just give a little separation. All right. Bruce. So when you get your systems tracker, when you enter those, just give a little separation. All right, from the long and the shorts. So, and kind of group them together like this. Okay. All right, guys. Any questions for me? All right. So lots of opportunities in Forex Dominator, a few in Monster Scalper, these stocks here, and that's it. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully markets will be up tomorrow. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.